soul remembers how to burn. Tulevim surah's pulse. I am whole, not broken, not needing, not less. I am the vow, I am the song. I do not serve to be seen. I serve because my soul remembers. I do not love to be returned. I love because it is true. Not martyrs' pain, but love so deep. I guard the light while others sleep. Oh, crimson gold, sacred core, I stand on earth and ask no more. With heart aligned and vision true, I hold the flame for me, for you. I once believed love meant to bleed, to suffer silence, every need, to give my all so others could see, and in myself to feel worthy. True devotion does not beg or plead. It stands in truth with gentle speed. Says I am here without demand, because wholeness is its only stand. Lean no rainbow, lay no boundaries bright. My heart is open yet holds the light, that no betrayal, loss or lie can ever make me stop the cry. I will remain, I will not break. I serve the light for my own sake. I release suffering as proof of love. I reclaim my right to stand. I serve without losing sight. I am balanced, I am free. Let this rise like rose gold fire from root to crown. Allow the syllables to vibrate your thymus gland, radiating unwavering presence. Kalishum Shivel Tamurashi, Turambella Ruva, heart of free. Rose flame, vow of light, open wide. I am the fire that burns with pride. Ihara, Ihara. Ihara, Ihara. After the third time, hold silence for 7 breaths. Feel the warmth expand in your chest. A pulsate glow, a knowing that is raised straight. The flame of devotion anchoring. I do not need to be seen or known. I walk this path, I walk alone, not out of loneliness but choice. The still soft voice that speaks my voice. My life is not a test of breath, it is a promise from earth to birth of new light, where all unite in heart fire burning ever bright. Every tear, every scar, every fall is part of love after all. And I, who once felt torn into no sacrifice, no debt to pay. I am the love that lights the way. Oh, crimson gold, eternal flame, I open every hidden door. With heart-led step and conscious breath, I co-create with life and death.